two owners. They don't do these routes anymore.
6-speed manual.
Yeah.
This is pretty. That is really nice.
6-speed manual. All right. Thing probably sound good too.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
this is so.
Oh wow, it is alright.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, 26,000. That's a good deal.
Heck yeah.
Real good deal.
That's not bad.
Low mileage.
Uh-huh.
I like that Nova, Dad.
No, that ain't so. Let me see how much this.
Go on over there and look at it, boo.
Y'all ain't even tripping over the Thunderbird and Nova.
Let's go look.
Y'all tripping.
But that,
Hey, Dad. Dad, look, now they got the Z06 over. Wait, no, that's a Stingray. Never mind.
this is a Stingray right here?
Yeah, this is a Stingray right here. This is 2016.
You doing a video?
That's what I'm doing in the video. Say hi to the camera, Mom.
Hey.
Yep. Ooh, this a manual too. This is a 454.
Ascot blue.
Oh my God.
Huh?
This is nice, see.
What's that right there? That's a Stingray.
Stingray, Corvette Stingray.
This thing is expensive.
Yeah, this
How
is
much is this?
60 something.
53.
God dang, this costs
Yeah.
more than all other cars.
Yeah, that's a
Not this one.
And it's $663 for 84 months.
Woo.
It's in good shape though.
Yes, it is. Pretty paint job.
Very good shape. And it's a 454.
Nice old Chevelle. What year is it? 71.
Oh man, I thought this was a Nova.
Nah, it's Chevelle, son.
It looked like a
It
Nova.
is pretty though.
Actually, no, I thought it was a Monte Carlo. That's what I thought.
Right.
I thought it was a Monte Carlo.
I like
Excuse
the
me.
paint job.
Excuse
Paint
me.
job is gorgeous.
This is a nice Thunderbird though. I like this Thunderbird. Yes, you gotta pop those clips and then
Isn't that something?
you lift it up.
They got those on there. Put a little bit of
That means that you're working with some power when you got them.
price on it. Really?
Oh, yeah, this joint probably close to 100 grand.
And 70.
You taking pictures for you?
This is a 7-speed.
7. Oh yeah.
Speed.
Oh yeah, that.
They got.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is what they call
How's this going
It's
for? How's this
only-
going for?
Driven only 1,000 a year. What?
How's this look? Wait, how's this going for?
Just like it rolled
They don't
off
have
the
the price on
showroom.
it.
No, they
Only
don't.
showing 3,200,
It might be sold.
3,278.
14.
3,000.
This Chevelle though. This is a nice Chevelle, guys. This is a very nice Chevelle. Oh yeah. Whip King 13 here. What's up, guys?
Looking for the. They got a little button
Yeah,
on the
Mom.
inside. that
They
you
have the
put
same
on.
car at the dealership down our way.
Kelly's got one like this.
Yeah.
Melba's husband.
The exact same car.
He got a 454.
2016 Corvette Stingray.
He put it in there.
He put it in himself.
There you go, the Chevelle. I thought it was a Monte Carlo at first, but this is a 71 Chevelle. Everybody, they got some more in them there too. They got a 65 Mustang and probably like a 69 Chevelle too. This thing is expensive, guys. 450 horsepower though. This thing can put the man. This thing can go. This thing is 53,000, guys.
They added something to the engine.
More
50.
air that goes in there.
This is an old Ferrari right here. This is a 440, right?
I love the color.
No, it's a 456.
That's a 2003.
456 Ferrari, guys. Yeah, it's a Ferrari. It's a 07. Another 69. That's 80,000, guys. Another is 69. Well, this is fully ooh, stick with the nav. So this is like kind of modern day here. Hey, Dad. Dad, look at this one, Dad. This one, Dad, look. This one got the drag radius on. Dad, look. Dad, look.
Yeah.
This one got the
Say do not touch.
160 mile per hour on there with the 6-speed and a navigation system.
They put that in. That's new.
Yeah, that's custom. That's custom.
All this
Yeah, that's
custom. Yeah.
Yeah, they want 80,000 for this one, Dad.
How much they want? Yeah.
Yeah, 80. We got Ferrari, the 560. Ooh. Look at that Shelby though. Wait, no, that's not. Wait, is that Shelby? Z28. Man, So this is a Shelby, right there? This is Shelby. Oh, they only want 40,000 for this.
Yeah, 64, I think, is a little flatter.
65. Whoa. They're tripping a little bit, guys. They only want 40 grand for this one too, Dad. They kind of tripping a little bit. They kind of tripping. Ooh, these some rare cars. But these are some rare cars, though.
See, these cost more than those.
Yes, which is surprising. Look at the pipes on it. We got the pipes down bottom. Yes. Oh yeah. They got a Z28. They got a Dad, what is this? What is this right here?
67.
A 67 what? Chevelle. This is Chevelle. Ooh.
This is SX2.
What's this one, Dad? This is a Corvette. This is a Corvette right here. What is this right here? A Cadillac?
How you doing, sir?
Pretty good.
Oh, yes.
Ooh, Impala, Dad. This is an Impala.
It's an Impala. They do a real good job of showing you things.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Look at those sticks out.
Yes, I see it. It's not
Original inside.
original.
Station wagon. Okay.
And they would still want 70,000 for that. Man, look at the white seats though. With the
This got the cow injector.
original stick, man.
Okay, buddy.
Things ultimate go.
Oh, has it?
And look at the pipes on that thing. Man,
They got some nice dogs in here, guys.
yes.
Yeah, I just looked at it. I told Josh. They got a cow injector.
Don't touch it,
Go to
though.
the bathroom real quick. I got it.
Oh man,
Those stingrays are nice.
we got another. Ooh. I can't take it. Mom, we got it. It's 2 stingrays.
Not expensive.
Hey, Uncle Phil, that's a 66, and this one looks like a 65, possibly. Let me see if I'm right. Yep, 65. That's what I thought. Let's get it, guys. Yeah, boy, your boy knows the cars right there. Got some more cars over there. Bro, this thing is huge, bro. Putting in the garage once again. Got another Camaro. Looks like a 65 Mustang, 67, whatever you want to call it. And this thing, we got a lot of them, guys. 67 Mustang that we have here, bro. 355, or no, 350. 4-speed, stick. Man. This thing, Trans Am 6.6 liters. 67 Chevelle over there. We got this nice 66 Chevelle right here, man. We got a 70 Chevelle. This is so nice, man. Look at the pipes down bottom, man. Man. Newly refurbished too. You see the new steering wheel. They got the 6-speed in here and the navigation system. I don't know if you guys can see that little screen right there. We got a nice Corvette, and we got a Buick Boat. Alright guys, so the reason that I cut off the audio right here is because I didn't want to get copyrighted for the music that they were playing. I was hoping that they would change the song, but they didn't. But I'm going to give you my thoughts on this nice looking Buick Bel Air. It's a 57. It's 1957. It was really nice though. I liked it. Nice paint job, nice rims. But yeah, I just didn't want to get copyrighted. We have a 1937 Buick also. So yeah, guys, let's get actually back to the actual audio. Got another Corvette. I mean,
This is Copro Camaro. 69.
yeah. We got another Camaro. I mean, this is a Corvette.
You see this one?
Yes. And we got another.
Oh, wow.
It's automatic right here. It's another one.
I changed my mind.
Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that pretty? I can't
Can't see this is 69, guys. This is 69. Mustang. It's not a Mach 1 though.
Yeah, I think yeah.
This is a 70 Chevelle, once again. Whew. All these cars up here still pretty nice. We got the original seats, automatic. Whew. All these cars are running, for sure this one. Yes. Thing will go. Thing will go. Got two Mustangs right here. We got 65 and a 67, guys. Then we got another 65 all the way in the back. Man, these things will go. Holy crap. Then we have a Z28 Camaro over here. 1971, I believe. Yes, 1971, guys. 1971, guys. 350. This thing will go as well. We got another manual. Automatic. It's alright, though, bro. It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, but these two right here. We got the convertible right here. Got a 4-speed again. Then we go over here. We got an automatic. These things will go at Fleming's Ultimate Garage, guys. Fleming's Ultimate Garage. Check them out, guys. These people are so cool, man. They got a whole garage, and it's a part over there too. Oh, this Fleming's Garage, Ultimate Car Garage. They have a lot of cars, man. They have a garage over here and another one over there. Yeah, guys, make sure to check them out, man. They got a lot of cars. You see that Porsche, they got a Maserati over there, and they got a freaking Chevelle, and they have also a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette over there. Alright, guys, peace. Your boy Whip King 13 is out.